Hey fourth graders, today we are going to be doing just the top half of this page. We are not going to do the bottom. You can certainly do the bottom if you'd like to for fun. And we are going to be figuring out which state is which state. And one little tip on this, like right here, I'm looking for what number Illinois is. So I'm going to look at the states, and I'm going to give you a little hint that on the front of your packet, the states are labeled. Okay, so you can flip back to the very front of your packet and figure out which state is Illinois. Okay, and so if I do that, I'm going to look and I'm going to find out that Illinois is number 9. So then I can go up here and I put a 9, and then I just want you to kind of recognize that the capital is right across, because you should be starting to remember the capitals and the states and how they go with each other. And you're also doing some IXL things where you're practicing learning the states in the Midwest. Okay, so your job for today is just to put the numbers of the states behind. So that shouldn't be too bad. And that is your social studies for today.